In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a basic Shopify store created, one product added, your theme saved, payments and shipping set up, an optional domain connected, and the storefront unlocked so customers can visit it. First, go to Shopify in your web browser. On the Shopify homepage, click Start Free Trial. This opens the sign up form. Enter your email, create a password, and type a store name. Your store name must be unique, so if it's taken, try a small variation. This information creates your Shopify account and your new store. Click Create Store. Shopify will set everything up. Wait for the dashboard to load before moving on. Now go to Products, then click Add Product. This opens the product detail page where you'll add your first item. Add a clear product title, set the price, and upload images. Use clean, well-lit photos so shoppers can see what they're buying. Make sure the price is accurate for this product. Click Save. The product is now in your catalog and ready to display on your storefront. Next, go to Online Store, then Open Themes. You'll see your current theme at the top. Click Customize. This opens the theme editor. From here, you can preview your storefront and make basic visual adjustments like rearranging homepage sections or updating branding. If you don't want to change anything right now, that's fine. Your default theme will still work. Click Save to store any changes you made. You can return to this editor anytime to refine your design. Now go to Settings, then Open Payments. This is where you enable how customers will pay at checkout. Activate a payment method. To choose an available option for your region, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation. If you're using a built-in option like Shopify's own processor, you'll be guided through any required business details. Take a moment to confirm everything is correct before you finish. Once activated, your checkout can securely accept payments. Next, go to Settings, then Open Shipping. Here, you'll control what customers pay for delivery. Set shipping rates. Define the rates you want to offer, such as a standard rate for your main shipping zone. Double-check any conditions like price or weight ranges so the correct rate appears at checkout. Save your changes if prompted. Accurate rates help prevent unexpected costs for your customers. Now go to Settings, then Open Domains. This step is optional. If you want a custom web address for your store, connect one you already own or buy a new domain here. Follow the prompts to complete the connection or purchase. When a domain is connected, your store will be accessible at that address. From here, go to Online Store, then Open Preferences. This is where you'll control storefront visibility. Remove password, disable the password protection so your store is publicly accessible. If Shopify asks for a confirmation, approve it. Only do this once you're comfortable with your product, theme, payments, and shipping. Don't worry, you can always re-enable the password later if needed. Save to confirm the change. Your storefront is now live and viewable by anyone with the link. At this point, you've completed the setup. Your Shopify store is created, a product is added and saved. Your theme is customized and saved, payments and shipping are configured, an optional domain is connected, and the password is removed so the store is live. Everything is now ready for customers to browse and check out. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.